So in this video, I would like to discuss and show how to perform the practical of potentiometry. So potentiometry experiment 1. In potentiometry, we measure the EMF of the cell. To perform the potentiometry experiment, we require two electrodes and we have to construct a cell. We have to construct a chemical cell. So the aim of the experiment is to determine the solubility and solubility product of a sparingly soluble salt using chemical cell by potentiometry. So in this experiment, we have to determine the solubility product of a sparingly soluble salt such as silver chloride using a chemical cell and by measuring the EMF of the cell. Now the supplied chemicals and requirements of this experiment is potentiometer, saturated calomel electrode, then silver electrode, then 0.1 molar KCl, ambered colored beakers, zero point 0.1 normal silver nitrate, salt bridge, and 50 or 100 ml standard volumetric flask, burette pipette and distilled water. The main requirement of this experiment, it is potentiometer. So potentiometer measures the EMF of a cell. Second requirement, it is saturated calomel electrode. So saturated calomel electrode, it is a reference electrode which has the known potential. The potential of the saturated calomel electrode, it is 0.242 volt. So it is a reference electrode. And silver electrode, the chemical required, it is 0.1 molar KCl solution. So let us see the process of the experiment. First of all, we have to take the 50 ml of 0.1 molar KCl in a beaker and we have to add 2 drops of the silver nitrate to it and shake the solution well. And later on, we have to insert the clean silver electrode in it. Clean silver electrode in it. In another beaker, we have to take the 50 ml of the saturated KCl solution and insert a calomel electrode in it. And with the help of these two solutions, we can construct the cell. So the cell will be like this. In LHS beaker, take a 50 ml of saturated KCl solution. This is saturated KCl solution. And we have to insert the calomel electrode into it. In another beaker, we have to take a 0.1 molar KCl solution. 0.1 molar KCl solution. And in that KCl solution, we should have to add 2 to 3 drops. 2 to 3 drops of 0.1 molar silver nitrate. 0.1 molar silver nitrate. Now, due to the addition of the 0.1 molar silver nitrate in this KCl solution, there is a formation of silver chloride precipitate. And this silver chloride, it is a sparingly soluble salt. It is not soluble. So solution get turbid. And dip the silver electrode into this. Silver electrode. And the LHS electrode, it is the calomel electrode, which is a reference electrode. Connect calomel to the negative terminal and silver to the positive terminal. Then we have to put here the salt bridge in the two beakers Salt bridge makes the electrical contact between the two electrolytes or between the two solutions. So this is the experimental setup here. Now the same cell can be represented in this way. On the left hand side, the saturated calomel electrode, which is connected to the negative terminal of the potentiometer. On to the right hand side, the KCl solution. Then we have added 2-3 drops of the silver nitrate and silver electrode. It is inserted here and which is connected to the positive terminal. This double vertical line means it is a salt bridge. So this is the experimental setup. Now connect the cell to the potentiometer and measure the potential of this cell. We can measure the EMF of this cell. What is a EMF? EMF, it is the potential difference between the two electrodes. So in this case, EMF of the cell, it is equal to electrode potential of the right hand side electrode minus electrode potential of the left hand side electrode. Right hand side electrode, it is a silver electrode, and left hand side electrode, it is a calomel electrode. So we know the potential of the calomel electrode because it is a reference electrode, and we can determine the potential of the silver electrode. So by measuring the EMF of the cell, so in this experiment, we can determine the potential of the silver electrode, and with the help of that potential, we can determine the solubility product. On the same time, in this experiment, we have to prepare other KCl solution, that is 0.05 molar, 0.02 molar, 0.01 molar and 0.005 molar KCl solutions. And after the preparation of these solutions, then we have to take these solutions here in place of 0.1 molar KCl here. In another beaker, we have to take 0.05 molar KCl, and we should have to add 2-3 drops of the silver nitrate into that solution, and silver electrode, it is dipped, and we can take the second reading. 0.1 molar KCl, it is for the first reading. Then 0.05 molar KCl. In another beaker, we have to take the 0.05 molar KCl that have been already prepared by us. Then we can perform the same here by addition of the 2-3 drops of the silver nitrate. There is a formation of the silver chloride precipitate. The third solution we have to take, that is 0.02 molar in the beaker. The same process we have to repeat. Fourth one, it is 0.01 molar, and last concentration, it is 0.005 molar. So in this way, we have to take the 5 readings. We have to take the 5 readings. So let us show the observation table here. So in the first column, concentration of KCl, it is given here. That is, as we prepared the 5 solutions from 0.1 molar KCl solution, we can prepare this 0.05, 0.02, 0.01 and 0.005. Okay, so to prepare 50 ml of 0.005 molar KCl solution, to prepare 50 ml of 0.005 molar KCl solution, we have to take 25 ml of 0.1 molar KCl solution, and it is diluted to 50 ml. For 0.02 molar KCl solution, take 10 ml of this 0.1 molar KCl solution. 0.01 molar KCl solution, to prepare 0.01 molar KCl solution, take 5 ml of the KCl solution. Then for 0.05 molar KCl solution, take 2.5 ml and dilute it to 50 ml. So in this way, we can prepare the solution by taking 25, 10, 5 and 2.5. So these are the calculations. These are the molarities, concentrations. Now this is the activity coefficient of that particular concentration. It can be used when we are doing the calculation. Then here we have to write the EMF of the cell. Then with the help of the equation, we can determine the activity of the silver ion. we can determine the activity of the chloride ion, and final calculation it is Ksp. So in this experiment, solubility product, it is equal to activity of the silver ion multiplied by activity of the Cl- ion. Now how we can determine the activity of the chloride ion here? Activity of the chloride ion, it is nothing but molality of KCl multiplied by activity coefficient. It means this 0.1 multiplied by this. So this value we have to take on here, that is 0.0771. Then for this 0.05 multiplied by this, that value should be here. That is the activity of the Cl- ion. So activity of the Cl- ion, it is equal to molarity of the chloride ion multiplied by activity coefficient of the Cl- ion. So in this way we can determine the activity of the Cl- ion. Now how to determine the activity of the silver ion? It is most important here. So you can see in this formula, activity of the silver ion, it is equal to antilog of EMF of the cell minus 0.557 divided by this value 0.0592. So we can put just the EMF of the cell here. We are getting the activity of the silver ion. Okay. And later on we can determine the solubility product using this formula. Ksp it is equal to activity of the silver ion multiplied by the activity of the Cl- ion. And final calculation, it is solubility. It is equal to under root of Ksp. So in this way, we have to represent the results in the tabular form, the solubility product of the silver chloride, that is Ksp value, and solubility of the silver chloride. So in this way, with the help of this potentiometer, we can determine the solubility product of the silver chloride using potentiometry by constructing a cell.
आपण दुसरा एक्सपेरिमेंट करणार आहोत. त्या एक्सपेरिमेंटचं नाव आहे पोटॅन्शियोमेट्री टू डिटरमाइन द सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट अँड सोल्युबिलिटी ऑफ सिल्वर क्लोराइड पोटॅन्शियोमेट्रिकली युजिंग केमिकल सेल. So this is the experiment belongs to the potentiometry experiment, and in this experiment we know that we have to perform or we have to prepare the chemical cell. So for the preparation of the chemical cell we require two electrodes. So now you can see on the table there are two electrodes are seen. One electrode, that blackish cap, that is a calomel electrode, and other electrode it is a silver electrode. A red electrode, it is a silver electrode. Then instrument EMF of the solution. Potentiometer measures the EMF of the solution. So in this experiment we are going to determine the solubility product and solubility of silver chloride, sparingly soluble salt. So what is the solubility product? Solubility product, it is the activity of the cations and anions in the solution. So in this experiment, solubility product of silver chloride, it is equal to activity of the silver ion multiplied by activity of the chloride ions. So to perform this experiment, you can see on the table what type of the solutions are required to us. So you can see here, this is saturated KCl solution. So this saturated KCl solution is required for construction of the calomel electrode. You can see this is the calomel electrode. We have taken here 50 ml of saturated KCl solution, and the calomel electrode, it is inserted into this saturated KCl solution. So this is the calomel electrode. Now in another beaker we have taken here the 0.1 molar KCl solution that is required for the experiment, and the silver electrode is dipped into the KCl solution. And previously we prepared the number of the solutions here, that is 0.05 molar KCl solution, 0.02 molar KCl solution, 0.01 molar KCl solution, and 0.005 molar KCl solution. In this experiment we have to take the 5 readings, okay, including 0.1. 0.1 molar solution we have taken directly. So now you can see the experimental setup will be like this. This is the left hand side electrode, that is a calomel electrode. It is connected to the negative terminal. You can see here it is connected here the negative terminal. Then the right hand side electrode which have the positive charge, it is connected to the positive terminal of the potentiometer. Okay. Now we have inserted the U-shaped this Saul bridge. So what is the function of the Saul bridge? Saul bridge makes the electrical contact between the two electrolyte solution. Now we are going to take the readings here. So I think anyone have to come here, Shivani. You have to take silver nitrate solution. 2-3 drops of the silver nitrate should be added here into the 0.1 molar KCl solution. Shake it. Okay. So you can see the reading is around 0.38 to 0.41. So we have to take 0.38. So write that reading 0.038. Okay. So one reading has been completed by us. Very simple. You can see. Due to the addition of the silver nitrate here, the solution it is turbid, and this turbidity to the solution it is because of due to the formation of the silver chloride. Silver chloride is formed here, and we have to determine the solubility and solubility product of this silver chloride. This calomel electrode it is used as a reference electrode here. This calomel electrode has a potential around 0.242 volt, and this silver electrode we have to determine the potential of the silver electrode by measuring the EMF of the cell. So the instrument shows the reading 0.041 now. So let us write this reading 0.041. Now it is a constant reading 0.041. So in this way we have completed the first reading. Okay, now for the second reading we have to take the 0.05 molar KCl solution in the another beaker. We are going to start the second reading. We have taken here 0.05 molar KCl solution. This calomel electrode is same. We cannot change this electrode. We only change this solution, and this solution now contains 0.05 molar KCl solution. And in that KCl solution, this silver electrode has been inserted. Now we have to add in this KCl solution 2-3 drops of the silver nitrate. Shake the solution. So due to the addition of the silver nitrate, it becomes now turbid. There is a formation of the silver chloride precipitate. Okay. Now let us see what does the instrument. It is going to show the reading. 1 minute. Wait for some time. Okay. तर आपण पहिलं रिडिंग पुन्हा एकदा घेतोय, कारण पहिलं आणि दुसरं रिडिंग आपल्याला सारखं दाखवत होते. त्यामुळे पुन्हा एकदा मी नवीन यामध्ये सोल्युशन घेतलेलं आहे KClचं 0.1 मोलरचं. त्याच्यामध्ये सिल्वर नायट्रेट ॲड केलेलं आहे, अँड दिस सिल्वर इलेक्ट्रोड इज इन्सर्टेड. सो द इन्स्ट्रुमेंट शोज 0.031 reading, 0.031 reading, 0.031 reading. Okay, this is for 0.1 molar KCl solution. Now I would like to take 0.05 molar KCl solution. Okay, so you have to see this is the second reading now. Already I have added in the 50 ml of the KCl solution 0.05 molar 2-3 drops of the silver nitrate. That part is already completed by me. So now you can see here there is an increase in the reading, and it is around 0.041. Okay. So it means that the EMF is going to be increasing. First reading it is 0.030, second reading it is 0.041. So this is the second reading. Similarly we have to take the third readings now. So for the third reading we have taken 0.02 molar KCl solution 50 ml. We have added this silver nitrate 2-3 drops here into this solution, and the solution becomes turbid. Turbidity because of due to the formation of silver chloride precipitate here. So let us put this silver electrode. For the third reading, the concentration is 0.02 molar. So let us do this 0.02 molar. So you can see here what change in the EMF is there. See now, the instrument shows 0.058, that is increase in the EMF. Okay, so we have completed here the third reading. तर आता आपण चौथ्या रीडिंगला सुरुवात करतोय. चौथं रीडिंग कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे 0.01 मोलर KCl. तर या बीकरमध्ये आपण 50 ml 0.01 मोलर KCl घेतलेला आहे. तर मी आता शिवानीला सांगतो की तिने त्यामध्ये सिल्वर नायट्रेट 2 ते 3 ड्रॉप्स ऍड करावे. So she is going to add 2-3 drops of the silver nitrate, and there is a formation of the silver chloride precipitate. So you can see the white turbidity is obtained here. So this is our fourth concentration. Remaining arrangement will be same. This calomel electrode, this silver electrode, this is salt bridge which makes the electrical contact between the two solutions. And now you can see in the instrument there is a increase in the EMF. Okay, the EMF it is increases here. So it is around 0.0 you can see here 0.079, around 0.079. So this is the fourth reading. तर आता आपण पाचव्या रीडिंगला सुरुवात करतोय. पाचवं रीडिंग घेण्यासाठी आपण या बीकरमध्ये जे 5 नंबरचे कॅल्क्युलेशन 5 नंबरचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे ते म्हणजे 0.005 मोलर KCl सोल्युशन. तर ते सोल्युशन आपण या बीकरमध्ये 50 ml घेतलेलं आहे आणि बाकीचे अरेंजमेंट आधीप्रमाणेच आहे. तर आता ह्या बीकरमध्ये आपण सिल्वर नायट्रेटचे ऍडिशन करतोय. तर मला वाटतं नीता पडाळकर या ठिकाणी सिल्वर नायट्रेटचे ऍडिशन करेल. शी इज गोइंग टू ऍड द सिल्वर नायट्रेट 2-3 ड्रॉप्स. तर 2-3 ड्रॉप सिल्वर नायट्रेट त्यामध्ये ऍड केल्यामुळे काय होईल, त्या सोल्युशनला टर्बिडिटी मिळेल, टर्बिडिटी येईल. आणि ती टर्बिडिटी कशामुळे येईल, दॅट टर्बिडिटी इज बिकॉज ऑफ ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द silver chloride precipitate. So you can see there is a formation of the silver chloride precipitate. This white turbidity indicates the formation of the silver chloride precipitate. Now the instrument is showing the EMF. It is once again increases to some extent. So it is around 0.093. 0.093. Okay, the instrument shows the EMF 0.093 volt. So in this way we completed the experimental part. We have taken 5 readings here. First reading it is for 0.1 molar. Second reading it is for 0.05 molar. Third reading it is for 0.02 molar. Fourth reading it is for 0.01 molar, and last reading it is for 0.005 molar. In this way, by decreasing the concentration of the potassium chloride solution, the EMF of the cell it is going to be increasing. Okay, the variation can be seen here. So this is the experimental part. We have completed here 5 readings, and the latter part it is the calculation part.